We need a new national nervous system.
We do. But here's the paradox that Korok Ray and Brent Skorup pointed out in their analysis. For a city to get truly smart at the application layer,
Where you and I would see the benefits.
right, the physical layer, the infrastructure, actually needs to be dumb.
Dumb. That sounds like we're going backward.
I know, but think of a standard wall socket. It's dumb. It just gives you electrons.
Okay.
It doesn't care if you plug in a lamp or a supercomputer. Ray and Skorup call this policy-induced competition. The government shouldn't be designing the tech.
They should just manage public infrastructure network node, the rights of way, and let companies innovate on top of that.
Exactly. The city sets the rules of the road, but lets FedEx and UPS race on it. It's more like a standardized digital condo that replaces the old pole, but the real difference is what's under the hood.
Also mentioned AI RAN and M2M communication, machine to machine. Why does that matter?
That's the other critical piece. M2M lets all these machines, the robots, the cars, talk directly to each other securely without having to send data all the way back to some central cloud.
So the car knows the drone is there instantly.
Exactly. And that's what enables what they call Autonomy 2.0.
Who's paying for this?
Well, that's the really interesting twist in the proposal. The idea is to move away from relying on government debt.
So not the taxpayer.
Instead, they want to treat this infrastructure as a new asset class, funded by private capital. Things like real estate investment trusts or REITs.
So private investors fund the nervous system because they get steady returns from these digital condos.
Precisely. It turns infrastructure into a long-term investment instead of a short-term public expense.
It's a huge shift in thinking. The internet of the 20th century was about moving bits between screens.
And this 21st century internet is about moving bodies, robots, and drones through our physical neighborhoods.
The race to 6G and AI is a race America must win, a critical national imperative. AI RAN is a foundational technology of the future, vital to national security, economic prosperity, and maintaining American technological dominance against global competitors. This will boost our productivity and secure our sovereignty by enabling artificial intelligence, intelligent transportation, resilient grids, and autonomous systems. They say this convergence, merging the digital world with the physical world with AI RAN, is too complicated. They say no single federal agency or private industry possesses a business model required for the next industrial revolution. Wrong. My administration will make it happen. My good friend Masayoshi Son at SoftBank had the passion to bring the best wireless networks to America. His visionary plan was blocked not because of technology, but the lack of the intelligent infrastructure that provides the evergreen foundation required. America is built to win. This is a quintessential example of how regulatory and easement challenges stall the great American worker. They don't understand that to build at this level, you need a different kind of leader. You need someone who knows real estate, who can cut complex deal structures, and who can negotiate across diverse interests from City Hall to the biggest investors on Wall Street. Nobody in history is more uniquely positioned to lead this nation forward with intelligent infrastructure than I am. We take on the big jobs and we finish them. We are executing a national directive to accelerate large-scale commercial deployment of intelligent infrastructure economic zones to support 6G and AI RAN. We don't just build roads. We are building intelligent corridors of commerce for all Americans. Intelligent infrastructure moves past the device blight that currently plagues our streets. Drawing on the hallmark of the Trump brand design and aesthetics, this national build-out will be beautiful. We are replacing the chaos of bolting and nailing of 21st century technology onto rotting wood poles with unified, high-design nodes that serve as the social, cultural, and economic anchors of our communities. The public infrastructure network node is not just infrastructure, it is a digital condo that must be financed, permitted, and built with the same precision as a 5-star skyscraper. We can protect the visual integrity of American communities while enabling advanced services like broadband for all, AI RAN, drone as a first responder, and automated city services. We are not just building for today. We are forging the infrastructure of the next century. This is the legacy that will eclipse even the interstate highways. We are forging our next golden age together. We will build a stronger and more connected America.
For our country to really reach the scale that it can be, for it to be successful, we need to be the leader in the world of 5G and 6G.
We lost the 5G wave. We lost it through technology. We lost it through policy. We lost it through bad strategic thinking. It is incredible what happened. And we simply cannot allow that to happen.
And we're still struggling to regain that territory.
It's going to be rough.
Right.
It's going to be super rough. We have an opportunity with 6G.
Right.
Because 6G
Because
is
of
going
AI
to be built.
also, yeah.
That's right. Because of AI also. And so
5G has the potential to add $500 billion to the economy and to create literally millions of new jobs.
And it's going to have a huge impact on American society. It's going to have a huge impact on the world. Driverless cars, which is going to change the world dramatically. And not only just the way we get around, it's going to change our need for roads, it's going to change our tax base, it's going to change the insurance market.